What up? It's your boy Paulo. We're back with another one. Today we got us some malt liquor. We got the Hurricane. I've never had this one. This is another pickup when I was in Indiana. I'm going to go ahead and pour her up. It's 8.1%. It's made by Anheuser-Busch. Let's pour her up. Trying to get crazy with the foamy. Big foamy. Oh man, this is smelling a little stanky stank. It smells stanky. Come on. Come on, Mr. Foam. Oh, is it going to run over? Alright, that's good enough. Hurricane, 8.1% high gravity. Cheers. It's not bad. It's decent for a malt liquor. See y'all next time.